Understanding the phrase, lose faith. Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to explore the phrase, lose faith. It's a powerful expression that can help you understand and describe a complex emotional state. Stick around to find out what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. To lose faith means to stop believing in the reliability, effectiveness, or truth of something or someone. It's often used when discussing beliefs in concepts, institutions, or relationships. When someone loses faith, it doesn't happen instantly. It's a gradual process where trust and belief wear down over time. The expression comes from the idea of faith not just in a religious sense but also in our everyday trust and confidence in things around us. To lose this faith is to reach a point where one's confidence or trust is depleted, leading to doubt and disbelief. Let's go through some examples. After the scandal, many people lost faith in the politician. If a friend lies to you repeatedly, you might lose faith in their words. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts to express a breakdown of trust. Is it possible to regain faith after losing it? Absolutely. Rebuilding faith takes time and depends on actions, consistency, and evidence that change has occurred. It's a journey of restoration and recovery. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, lose faith. I hope it's been enlightening and that you can confidently use this phrase in English. Remember, losing faith is a part of life, but so is rebuilding it. Keep practicing, and don't lose faith in your ability to master English. See you next time.